What if I told you your local flea market, and even your garage, is a high-end garden boutique? Sparkles. Most people see clutter. I see bespoke botanical artistry. Today, we're decoding the upcycled garden revelation, turning recycled chairs, tires, and kitchen scraps into a breathtaking outdoor sanctuary. Let's make your garden slay on a budget. Welcome back to your channel, the home of organic modernism and sustainable luxury. I'm Beki. If you've been dreaming of a lush, charming garden but the price tags at the nursery are holding you back, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering clever recycled DIY gardening projects. I'm sharing my senior designer secrets on how to use vintage flair and reclaimed materials to create a space that feels layered, playful, and delightfully yours. Whether you have a massive backyard or a tiny renter's balcony, we're going to spice up your greenery with soul. Let's get grounded. The Botanical Revelation. Designer Secret 1. The Vintage Throne. Recycled old chair planter. Every discarded chair at a flea market is just a vintage throne waiting for its crown. Step 1. Source an old wooden or metal chair. Don't worry if the seat is broken, we're actually going to remove it. Step 2. Line that empty seat area with chicken wire or a thick cocoa liner to hold your soil. Now, here is the designer's secret. We're practicing material dialogue. If your chair is weathered, graying wood, pair it with soft, delicate blooms like lobelia or petunias. The juxtaposition of rough and fragile creates a sophisticated warmth. Beki's tip. Once you start, you'll spot new places for them everywhere. A single chair turns a dead corner into a porch greeter. It makes your garden feel layered, playful, and delightfully yours. Designer Secret 2. The Drainage Masterpiece, Colander Strawberry Planter. We're moving from the kitchen to the garden with a bit of surface alchemy. Step 1. Grab a vintage metal colander. This is functional artistry at its best because the holes provide built-in drainage. Step 2. Attach 3 lengths of chain to the rim with an S-hook. Step 3. Plant your strawberries. As they grow, the fruit will hang through those side holes, keeping them off the soil and creating a sophisticated silhouette. This is perfect for my balcony gardeners. It creates vertical volume without taking up a single inch of floor space. It's a fresh harvest in a designer package. Designer Secret 3. Tire transformation, from rubber to stone. Let's talk about tires. Most people see a landfill. I see architectural depth. Step 1. Clean the tire thoroughly. We use texture and placement to hide its trash origin. Step 2. Apply a stone effect, spray paint, or wrap the exterior in a thick, chunky manila rope for an organic vibe. At Beki Décor, we use the formula for intentionality. Design impact equals repeating shapes plus cohesive color palette. By stacking these tires and painting them in matching, muted earth tones, they stop looking like rubber and start looking like bespoke installations. They solve garden problems, like adding height to a border, while looking like they cost a fortune. Designer Secret 4. the renter-friendly, hidden border. If you're a renter or have a small family backyard, you need decor that is gentle on the budget but high on style. Step 1. Use old boots, wooden crates, or even tin cans as hidden borders. Step 2. Focus on atmospheric curation. Never group items in even numbers. Always use groups of 3 or 5 to satisfy the eye. The designer's secret here: by repeating the same color, maybe a matte sage or a soft cream, across different recycled objects, you create a breathtaking narrative. It looks intentional and curated, never accidental. Designer Secret 5, Shadow Architecture, the Night Garden Reveal. The final 10%, the wow factor, happens when the sun goes down. Step 1. Add solar fairy lights inside your colander or tucked under the frame of your chair. Planter. This is shadow architecture. It highlights the textures and silhouettes of your upcycled pieces after dark, casting intricate patterns on the ground. This turns your backyard from a daytime hobby into a restorative sanctuary that stays alive 24 hours a day. It's not just a garden, it's a mood. As you look at your garden today, I hope you see more than just plants and pots. I hope you see a reflection of your own creativity and your commitment to giving old things new life. We don't need a massive budget to create beauty. We just need the heart to see the soul in the discarded. Thank you for spending these moments with me at Beki Décor. Your journey toward a more intentional, grounded home is the reason I'm here. If you're ready for your own botanical revelation, please subscribe and let me know in the comments. Which recycled item are you most excited to plant in this weekend? I'll see you in the next one. Stay inspired and stay grounded. As we wrap up today's journey, I want you to take a second and look around your space. I hope you see more than just 4 walls. And I hope you see more than just projects. I hope you see a reflection of your own resilience, the beautiful ability to take something broken, something discarded, and find the soul within it. At the end of the day, a home isn't defined by a designer label or how much you spent. It's defined by the intention you pour into every corner. You've proven today that you don't need a luxury budget to live in a sanctuary. You just need the vision to see the divine in the discarded. Thank you for trusting me with your time and for being the heartbeat of this Beki Décor community. Your journey toward a more mindful, grounded home is exactly why I'm here. If today's revelation sparked a little bit of magic for you, I'd love for you to join our family of creators. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep building something meaningful together. And please, tell me in the comments, which piece from today's video spoke to your soul the most? I read every single one. Until next time, stay inspired and stay grounded.